This is a tutorial on how to remove your glove box to gain access to the cabin air filter and also to change out your glove box light bulb. What you first want to do is open up your glove box, and inside the glove box there are these covers on each side. There's one here and there's one on this side, and there's also 2 screws on the latch right there. What we need to do is remove all those covers. So just get like a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a tab right here. So insert that and just pull. Comes off. Same thing on this side. Comes off. And inside each cover is a Phillips screw in there. So remove those for both sides. Do the same for this side, and remove this one, and also remove that one. I already gone and removed this side. Now what you want to do is you want to open up the side fuse panel box right here, and there's going to be 2 screws that you have to remove. One is this one right here, and there's another one back there. Let's see if I can get to it. Right there, that one right there, that gold one right there, you have to remove that one. Okay. So this one. Remove. This gold one. Oops, dropped it. But now, what you want to do is go to your center console. What you have to do is you have to remove part of this thing down here, the cover, because there's a bolt screw that's right there that you have to remove. In order to get to that screw, you have to pop this side open. What I do is I just take a ply bar and wedge it in between the side and just push, and it pulls down. There's 2 clips. There's one here, and also there's one on each side in the bottom. Just release the top. It should give you enough room to get to that screw right there. That's the screw. That's the screw right there that you have to remove right here. This is the screw. Okay, once that screw is removed, what you need to do is remove this whole bottom panel. We already removed the screw on the fuse box side. We removed the screw that was holding it underneath the center console. So you just grab it from the bottom. You just grab it from the bottom and you pull down, and it should pop out. Okay. Alright, once you have that removed, there are now a couple more screws that you have to remove. There's one here, 2 here, there's another screw here, and lastly, there's one down here that you have to remove. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 that you have to remove. Okay, now you have all those 4 screws removed. You should be able to just pull the glove box straight out and it should come loose. Okay, just pull it straight out, and there's a harness right here on the side, right there. That's where the light for the glove box is. So unhook this plug right here. What you do is, okay, unhook that light, that plug, and the glove box should come straight out. So there it is. The glove box is out of the slot. That's the harness. And this right here, this right here is where the light for the glove box is located. So there's 2 screws that you have to remove. There's one right there, and there's another one right there. So remove those 2 screws. These 2 screws. This one. And other screw. And once you remove those 2 screws, this will just pop straight out like this. And there's a pin that pushes against the door when the door is open and closed. This is the mechanism that turns the light on and off. And turn it over, and that's where your stock light will be. I already changed mine to LED, but that's where it is. So just take it out and replace it with the LED and put it back into the slot. And the installation is reversed. There's a hole right there. Let me see if I can get some better light. Right. There's a hole right there where this has to go in. Focus. There you go. So this has to go into that hole right there. And you put the screw back in. So I'm going to do it real quick. So it goes in like that, and you put the screw back on. Okay, and then the installation is reversed. Whatever you just took out, you just put it back in. Now the cabin air filter, this is where the cabin air filter is. These 2 right here, these 2 black boxes, slot.